Hello everybody, and today we'll be showing you 4 basic standards of fractions. A standard is a way how you do things. Now the first standard is how a fraction works. Now you might be wondering what this number is, the number on the bottom, number 8 on the bottom means, and the number on the top means. Well, let's start first. The number on the bottom, it's called the denominator. Oh, stop it. I hate that stuff. It's called the, oh my god. Okay, it's called the denominator. And the second number, the top number, it's called the numerator. Now, a good way to remember both numbers is think as the denominator as down and the numerator as the number on top, because it's a number on top. Now, let's move on to the next one. Now, standard 2 is how to draw a visual for a fraction. Now, we have the fraction 1/8. Now, the denominator, it's how many parts the whole is divided into. Now we have this pie. That's divided into 8 parts. And the top number is how many parts are shaded. See? Top number, how many parts are shaded. Now shade this piece. Looks very yummy. Now let's move on to the next standard. Now, standard 3 is how to add mixed fraction. Now, a mixed fraction is just basically a whole number and a fraction mixed together. So, the problem is 3 and 2/2 plus 1.5. Now, let's draw this out. So, we have 3 cookies and a half plus 1 cookie and a half. Now, let's do the whole numbers first. 3 plus 1 equals 4 cookies. So right now we have 4. What about a half and a half? Now 1/2 of a circle plus 1/2 of a circle equals 1 circle. So the answer is 3/2 plus 1/2 equals 5. So now we have 5 cookies. Now let's move on to the next standard. Now the last standard, standard 4, is how to know if fractions are equivalent. And equivalent fraction means that both fractions are the same. Now here, we have 1/2 and 2/4. We have 2/4 here, just for a circle, and 1/2 circle. Now let's compare. This is a half, this 2/4. Oh my god, look. It's just basically the same thing. But look. Imagine that green part over there. It's being shaded. So that means that this is the same. So that means that 1.5 and 2/4 is the same thing. So let's put the equal sign in the middle of the box. Yay! Now let's move on to the finale. You mastered basic fractions, and you get a cookie. Yay! You should be really proud of yourself, and I hope you like watching my videos, and I hope we'll be meeting each other next time. Bye! And oh, by the way, I need to make 2 corrections. When I said 3/2, I wasn't supposed to say 3.5. And when I said 1/2, I was supposed to say a half. You see, those days, it's a really common mistake. And I also want to add one more standard. So prepare for standard 5. It's really easy. It's just showing you how to take apart fractions like this. Pretend I had 4/8 of a pie. Wait, 4/8. Come on, 4/8. There. 4/8 of a pie. But it's the same as 1/8 plus 2/8 plus 1/8. And when you add, do not add the denominators if they're the same. Because, look, if the denominators are the same, don't add them. Adding them is wrong. But if they're different, Well, you'll learn that when you're older, but only at the top. So 1 plus 2, it's 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 1/8 plus 2/8 plus 1/8 equals 4/8. Now you can eat your cookie and end this video.